So hello my dear students, and today first of all welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Learning with Ganesh, and today I am going to explain you in the chapter Conservation of Natural Resources Project Tiger what actually the Project Tiger is. Project means एक एक्ट है, इसके तहत हम टाइगर्स को कैसे बचाया जाए, इसी पर ये आज का टॉपिक है. व्हाई इट इज़ रिक्वायर्ड टू मेक प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर. एक एक्ट है विच इज़ NTCA. NTCA मीन्स नेशनल टाइगर कंजर्वेशन अथॉरिटीज़. नेशनल टाइगर कंजर्वेटिव अथॉरिटीज़. ये NTA जो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ गवर्नमेंट which is under in the Ministry of Government. So they have made an act in the year 1973, Project Act. Now the question is why it is required to make that act. क्यों ये ज़रूरत पड़ा? See, before 1970s से भी और 50 साल पीछे जाइए. What happened? In India, there used to be more than 50,000 tigers were there. यानी 1970 से भी 50 साल पहले लगभग 40 से 50,000 टाइगर्स हमारे इंडिया में हुआ करता था. And tiger, of course, they are the national animal. Do you know which tiger is known as national animal? Not all the tigers. Royal Bengal tiger is known as the national animal of India. It's a status symbol. एम्बलम में भी मिला जाता है, हर जगह पाया जाता है. It's a heritage, it's a culture. But what happened? Once upon a time we used to have more than 50,000 tigers. But those were the periods where hunting is not prohibited. Hunting is one of the most status symbol of those persons where used to live. Hunting उनके लिए एक बहुत बड़ा मर्दानगी की बात होती थी. They used to hunt. They used to take photographs standing beside the dead body of a tiger. And they used to give a nice pose that I have done this one. How brave I am. That means persons used to prove themselves that they are more brave than that tiger. But when we entered in the 1970s, so those tigers which used to be 40 to 50,000, they were reduced to 1,500 to 1,800. Not even what you call 40,000. Where is 40,000? Where is just 1,500? If it is continue like this, one day will come where there will be no tiger left in the world. So, and on the other hand, what happened? They become an unbalance in the ecological process. Ecological unbalance hota tha. You know, you have seen a chain, what you call food chain. First you see grass. They are producer green plants, and that grass used to eat by a goat. Take a goat used to eat grass, and for goat, tiger, it's a carnivorous. Means in all you see, in a highest level, tigers were found. What will happen if none of the tiger is left? What will happen if all the tigers were killed? You know what happened? Every ecological balance will be disbalanced and whole ecological nature will be disturbed. So this will affect to the nature. It will affect to the human life also. Everything it is to affect it. So the Ministry of Government have thought that no, its foremost duty is to save tiger. So keeping in that view, they have made an act in the year 1973, Project Tiger. So here in this act, tiger were used to protect it. Now under the present government also, you might have seen that our present Prime Minister also is doing a lot of work to save the tiger. Now the position of tiger in India is little bit going in a balancing manner, and a day will come where we will have more than 40 to 50,000 tigers. We can restore it, whatever we have lost through hunting, whatever through commercial purposes, whatever it is. So now the Project Tiger Act is just to save tigers. Save tiger means to save nature, and saving nature means saving human life. Not only human life, but every living beings will survive if the nature is balanced. So this is all what I want to explain you, that this is Project Tiger. It is in your lesson, conservation of natural resources. You just go through it, whatever maybe it is given you in a short paragraph, but the main basic is to know what is the motto of Project Tigers. That is just to save tigers. हमें टाइगर्स को बचाना है, क्योंकि इससे इकोलॉजिकल बैलेंस होता है, कमर्शियल वैल्यूज़ होता है, दे आर द नेशनल हेरिटेज, और हमारा नेशनल एनिमल भी टाइगर है। अब जब क्या होगा कि सारे टाइगर लुप्त हो जाएंगे तो फिर क्या चीज़ के लिए हम नेशनल टाइगर, हम नेशनल एनिमल हमारा टाइगर है करके हम बड़े गर्व से कह सकेंगे इफ़ देयर वर नो टाइगर्स। Once they were in the endangered species, but thanks to the government, by making this act, now we are saving this project tigers. We are saving the life of the tigers by making a big sanctuaries, national parks, zoological parks, where tiger used to kept, but they used to keep in zoo in such a way that they are not in cage, as if artificial jungle has made in all. You can see in our Jamshedpur also, in most of the cities in zoo also, tigers were kept open, as if the tigers used to feel themselves they are not in a cage, they are in a open jungle. So our being a human being, it's our foremost duty to save tigers. So save tiger means saving our planet from a natural, what you call, calamity or disaster. So save tiger. So our main motto is to save tiger. Saving tiger means saving our planet, and saving our planet means saving our lives. That's all.